So welcome on this KNDS booth during the EUROSATORY exhibition. My name is Guillaume Pengam, I'm the Marketing Director for Armoured Vehicles. And today, in the framework of our discussions with Greece and Cyprus, we are proud to introduce the Philoctetes infantry fighting vehicle as a command post version, which is quite a first time in the story of this vehicle. And of course, the new design of the T40 turret, which is the one equipping the Philoctetes vehicle that we have developed in cooperation with the Hellenic environment as abroad, and of course based on the original VBCI Mark I vehicle based in France, with the integration not only of the return of experience of this vehicle after 15 years of continuous operational deployments, but also taking into account all the specificities of the Greek environment and the Cyprus environment as well. So the main assets on this vehicle is not only the protection and its capability to transport a complete infantry combat squad, but the mobility in order to be able to operate in very constrained environments like mountainous areas or urban zones. Also the addition of tremendous firepower with the combination of the 40mm unmanned turret and including 2 anti-tank missiles from the latest generation in order to defeat a main battle tank from a distance of 4 to 5 kilometers. For this edition, we decided to show one of the variants going alongside the main IFV variant. So today a command post. Of course, it is one of the many variants that we are proposing, not only to Greece but also to Cyprus, so that we can have a consistent combination of assets in order to improve the efficiency of the army and especially the infantry for any kind of operation, from peacekeeping up to high intensity warfare, whatever the threats are, including the most basic threats, but up to to UAVs, helicopters, and of course main battle tanks. So still we keep the possibility to have 4 seats on this side, 1 on this side, plus the complete workstation to allow for decent conditions for the headquarters to work during training exercises, but also on operations. You can appreciate the volume of the inside of the vehicle, and this is one of the main improvements also of the VBCI Mark II Philoctetes compared to the previous generation, that we optimize the space for the soldiers to be in the position to take all of their equipment while remaining comfortable during the movement phases, but also and first and foremost when they disembark from this very vehicle. So one of the main assets of the Philoctetes is its turret, featuring a complete set of weapon systems so that it can face any kind of situation while being deployed on an operation. So the main gun is a 40mm CT gun, which is the one of the Jaguar and also the Ajax program in England. It comprises a certain number of ammunition in order to defeat light infantry, heavy infantry fighting vehicle, but also thanks to ammunition that we are currently developing right now, it will be able to protect itself against UAVs thanks to this airburst ammunition featuring a certain number of tungsten pellets. In addition to the main gun, of course, we have those 2 anti-tank missiles which are integrated into the turrets and still under the armor in order to defeat the most heavy vehicles such as main battle tanks. Therefore, the infantry combat squad that will be in the vehicle will have capabilities it doesn't have right now with the current versions of the existing vehicles. And the level of improvement regarding the operational efficiency is therefore improved really dramatically.